When it comes to the 1000 LB Sisters franchise, few stars create as many headlines as Amy Slayton. From the early days when she and her sister Tammy Slayton introduced themselves to the world on TLC, Amy has been a fan favorite. Her emotional journey through weight struggles, motherhood, heartbreak, and new love has been one of the most talked about stories in the reality TV universe. Recently, a new buzz has overtaken fan groups and social media discussions. Did Amy Slayton secretly tie the knot with her new partner Brian S. Scott Lowan? The rumor mill is running wild, and fans want answers. Amy has always been an open book about many aspects of her life, but when it comes to love, she's been more selective about what she shares. Her marriage to Michael Hultman was heavily documented, from wedding photos to their life as young parents. That relationship, however, ended in divorce, leaving Amy emotionally drained yet determined to move forward. Fans had mixed feelings about her split, with some supporting her decision and others wondering if she acted too quickly. However, Amy shocked many by re-entering the dating scene and eventually confirming her new relationship with Brian Scott Lowan. Since then, fans have been dissecting every photo, video, and cryptic message she posts online. What has sparked the recent marriage speculation is a combination of subtle hints dropped on social platforms and comments from people who claim to know the couple personally. Amy has been seen wearing a ring on her finger in recent TikTok uploads, and while she has not directly called it an engagement or wedding ring, fans immediately took notice. Meanwhile, Brian's appearances in her posts have become more consistent, with the two often showing off their time together and sweet, couple-style content. One particularly telling moment came when Amy referred to Brian not just as her boyfriend but as her rock and forever. Such phrasing fueled speculation that the couple may have already exchanged vows in private. Reality television has a way of blending personal lives with public narratives. On one hand, Amy benefits from sharing her story, keeping her relevant and adored by fans. On the other hand, certain milestones are sometimes kept quiet until TLC cameras can capture them for the show. This leaves viewers constantly questioning what is genuine timeline versus what is being saved for future episodes. Given that TLC has yet to comment on whether Amy and Brian's supposed marriage will be featured, fans are left in limbo, connecting dots from online clues. Close watchers of Amy's social media behavior noticed a shift in her tone. Instead of the single mom struggles she often highlighted after her split from Michael, her posts now project stability, comfort, and family bonding. Brian has been spotted spending time with Amy's children, Gage and Glenn, suggesting that he has quickly taken on a stepfather-like role. This seamless integration into her family life has fans believing that Amy wouldn't have made such a major step unless she felt completely committed. In fact, some argue that the way she publicly praises Brian mirrors the type of affection one might expect from newlyweds enjoying their honeymoon phase. Another clue adding to the mystery is the way Amy's siblings have reacted. Tammy Slayton, who has had her own very public relationship ups and downs, has occasionally commented on Amy and Brian's posts with teasing words like, "Yeah, I'll look too happy," or "love birds." Amanda Hultman, known for being blunt and outspoken, has refrained from making any negative remarks, which fans view as a silent approval. For a family that often vocalizes its opinions, their relatively supportive silence could be telling. Yet the speculation has not come without controversy. Some fans argue that Amy is moving too quickly, pointing out that her divorce from Michael Hultman was finalized only recently. Critics claim she should take time to heal and focus on her children before committing to another marriage. Others counter that Amy has every right to move on and embrace happiness, especially given the challenges she has faced over the years. Online debates continue to rage in fan groups, with hashtags like #AmyandBrian and #SlaytonWedding trending in TLC fan circles. Brian himself has been something of a mystery figure. Unlike Amy's ex-husband, who was often portrayed on the show as reserved and sometimes uncooperative, Brian seems more open and playful in front of the camera. This contrast has fans rooting for him, describing him as the breath of fresh air Amy needs. His willingness to appear in content and engage with Amy's audience suggests he is comfortable with the attention that comes with dating a reality star. If they are already married, it may mark a new chapter not only for Amy but for how fans view relationships within the show. But why would Amy keep a wedding secret? Some industry insiders believe TLC may want to craft the narrative for a future season. Weddings are ratings gold in reality television, and saving the footage for an official storyline would make sense. Others think Amy may want to protect her happiness this time around by keeping things private until she feels secure. After all, her first marriage was scrutinized heavily, and the pressure may have contributed to its downfall. By handling things quietly, Amy could be prioritizing her emotional peace over public spectacle. One of the strongest pieces of evidence fans cling to is the timeline of Amy's recent travels and outings. She was spotted wearing what appears to be wedding-style attire at a family function, and Brian was by her side. No official captions confirmed it as a wedding, but fans claim the vibes were unmistakable. Some even speculate the couple may have opted for a courthouse ceremony or an intimate backyard wedding surrounded only by close family. Such a move would align with Amy's desire for simplicity and authenticity. The impact of this speculation extends beyond gossip. If Amy is indeed married, it could shift the storyline direction of 1000 LB Sisters. TLC has been known to pivot its content based on real-life events, and a new marriage would naturally take center stage. It would also spark conversations about how Amy balances her new marriage with parenting, her relationship with her ex, and the dynamics of her famous sisterhood with Tammy. With season renewal discussions always looming, this kind of plot twist could secure future episodes. Whether married or not, one thing is clear, Amy Slayton has found joy again. For fans who have watched her cry, struggle, and question her worth on national television, seeing her smile alongside Brienne is a reward in itself. The possibility of marriage only sweetens the story, turning Amy's journey into a tale of resilience and new beginnings. Until Amy herself confirms the truth, the speculation will continue to dominate online forums, TikTok breakdowns, and Facebook fan group debates. So, did Amy Slayton and Brian Scott Lovon already get married? At this point, the evidence is circumstantial but compelling. The ring sightings, the family support, the romantic captions, and the shifting family dynamics all suggest something big has already happened behind the scenes. If true, fans can expect a grand reveal in either an upcoming TLC season or a heartfelt social media announcement. If not, the rumors at least highlight just how invested viewers are in Amy's story. In the world of reality television, perception often becomes reality. For Amy Slayton, the whispers of marriage represent not just tabloid noise but a symbol of how far she has come. Whether she is now officially Mrs. Lovon or still in the dating phase, the love and stability she radiates signal a powerful new chapter in her life. Fans will continue to watch closely, waiting for the moment when Amy finally confirms what so many already believe, that she has found her forever with Brian. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.